Welcome back, aliens. Today we are going to see about the topmost video editing application called as Inshot. Inshot is a very famous small scale mobile video editor and it has a plenty of features in it. Okay, so Inshot is producing everything with free. Okay, and it is a pure watermark free application with providing high quality content output. Okay, so here we have provided important features that we are using in every videos. Okay, let's we do one by one. Let's get into the video. So the first feature is text effect. I have opened the sample video, so let's add a simple text. I have added a sample text, and here if you tap the edit button, you are having the text editor where you can change the text, or you can add or you can modify the existing text. And if you come down, there are plenty of options: text, border, shadow, label, opacity, and so the text color can be changed. Let's click red color, and the border also you can change it to any color. Yeah. So third one is a shadow. If you tap that shadow on, you can see the changes in that. Whereas even you can control that border shadow percentage. And label is mainly for focusing the background of the text. By default, Inshot is having around 8 important background styles that you can tap any one of it, and you can change the colors in it. Okay. So the final one is the opacity. So this is the default text editing styles. Now apart from that, you can choose that plenty of styles, font styles in it. Moreover, you can download that fonts from that respective stores or center. And you can change that font width and height of that. I'm going to change the style, vertical style and horizontal style. And finally, you can change the transition style of the specific font. So basically, it has provided around 20 important transition style for font. So let's take the right arrow. So if you click OK, automatically you can change the realize where we are? Transition for the style, and you can provide that necessary expansion.
Clean, modern.
Yeah, it's a cool feature, right? So second one is the transition. Transition is nothing but changing the specific motion of the video or motion of the image. So here let's take a video itself. Here I'm just splitting the video. You can split the content. Yeah. So in the bottom of the window, you can see one line called. So if you tap that line, you can see a transition window will get open. Here you have that basics and the super and the glitch. Basics is nothing but a default provided by Inshot. Here you can select any one of it. So this
Shaggy and Scooby.
Yeah.
Shaggy
Motion of
and
the
Scooby.
transition style.
Shaggy and Scooby.
So this will be more than enough if you are looking for a basic video editing. So apart from that, even you can go for super and glitch style. If you click this super style, the motion will be not better. But only you need to click that. So if you don't want to do anything, you can choose any one of basic motion styling. Okay, this is part of transition styles. Okay, so third feature is layers and stickers. Here you can add that stickers from by clicking that stickers menu, and you can have that plenty of default stickers. So if you tap the right side, you can see the plenty of options for sharing, for multiple of options are there. Let's choose one more. I have choose this, and this can be rotated or it can be modified by tapping that pen, and you can change the motion of the sticker. Yeah. And the timing, what time it should get displayed. So that is also you can control that. Even you can change the displaying opacity. Yeah. So you can change that. And even you can flip the sound. This sounds good, right? Let's close this and add one more thing. And you can change the timing for the specific system.
Shaggy and Scooby. This blue light came came down from the sky and beamed them.
Available in InShot. So the fourth feature is splitting. The splitting is a common feature in all applications, but here they have elaborated the splitting feature with some additional functionality. And if you tap splitting, the entire video will get splitted. Okay, and here you can do one more thing, something like, for example, I want to slow down this 10 seconds. So for that I can click that specific splitted content, and if you click speed, you can reduce the speed. So finally,
I have to assume that if they were with their friends, they wouldn't have been kidnapped.
This is mainly
Okay.
used if you want to slow down your content and by splitting that specific content. Okay. And apart from that, you can even do the background music of that by splitting that, just choosing that splitted content, and if you click, you can do the trimming, and even you can do the splitting of that. Multiple splitting is allowed. For example, clicking multiple, right. So the content got splitted into 4 parts, and if you click OK, see, for every part you can add transition styles, motions, and finally if you tap run, you can see the good output.
Assume that if they were friends, they wouldn't have apps. Okay. Can you skip the image?
So this is part of splitting. Okay, so the next feature is music styling. What do you mean by music styling? Music styling is a basic feature in all applications, but here they have provided music with plenty of inbuilt options. The first one is adding track. You can choose a number of tracks provided by InShot. So you can choose any one of it. Only thing that you need to provide that respective credits to that owner. I'm choosing Showman, and even you can choose that existing music from it. And finally, you are having one more feature called extract audio from video. That means you can extract that audio from that inbuilt video. So that's a cool feature, right? Even means you don't need to you don't need to go for any other application to extract the specific music from the video. So that is inbuilt functionality in InShot. And apart from that, it has a basic style effects, popular transition game builds, and plenty of transition styles in it.
That if they were with
So that the timing also you can change it. So this is part of music styling, and I'm just going to add the background music of a specific video. For that, I need to tap that music and click that any existing content, and if you see, you can see that extract audio. If you click extract, that audio of the specific video will get extracted and will display in that part of music style, and you can do that manual editing.
They came down from the sky.
Or you
They
can
came down from the
volume,
sky
or
and
you can
beamed
do
them
the
up.
option. So this is part of music styling, and I have never seen this feature in any other application. And the fifth one is collage. I have choose 4 images and clicking the layout, and you can see that plenty of layouts in it, and the layout also can be changed. So this option is used to make the photo frames or any other thumbnails. To make it, if you can use these thumbnail options. This is available in the home page itself, collage. Okay, and the next option is image editing or thumbnail maker. So you can see that second option called photo. So the photo option is mainly used to do everything with that, means it's an image editor. So the InShot is not only for video editing, it is also for image editing. The canvas style you can change it, or it's either a filter, you can change the default filter in it, or a background of the specific style, or you can do the cropping and a sticker and a text file and a frame. You can add the plenty of frames in the default style. So this is part of image editor. Okay, so the next feature is quality. So I love InShot only because of its quality. So if you click save, you can see the quality 1880 pixel. So that is a topmost quality content output for any type of videos. So if you are doing the video for YouTube, so 720 pixel is more than enough. 1008 pixel is a best one for every type of application and every type of videos, and I recommend to use InShot if you are looking for a high quality content output. Okay, and you can even customize that video output. Okay, so that in other video editing application they provide the 1080 pixel and all with the highly paid functionality. Okay, here that Inshot is providing with free feature, free of cost. So the next feature is background styling. Yeah, so this is a topmost good one. So here if you click that background, you can see the colorings of backgrounds and gradient coloring, and you can blur the backgrounds as well. So let's add the background color as a green. Yeah, so the color got changed, and you can even blur that. And apart from that, if you want to choose any customized photo, that is also you can do by clicking that image tab available in the second option. Okay, and finally if you come here, you can see that final feature is a quality and canvas. So canvas is option is nothing but you can change the window resolution output, means the default YouTube video will do with 16:9 pixel. Okay, and finally you can have that plenty of frames, 1:1, 4:5 and 3:4, 4:3. There's a plenty of options. Apart from that, even you can choose the manual zooming by tapping your double finger in that screen, and you can do that extract and normalize. Okay, even you can change the styling by rolling that tab, and if you click OK, it will get applied automatically. No need to change anything. It's a default feature with the best result in it. Okay, and if you click save, it will ask you that quality output, and just clicking that 1080 will get saved in a 1080 quality pixel. Hope it helps you, and see you again with another useful video.